In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in Notion. Even though Notion doesn't currently have a built-in justify button like traditional word processors, you can still make your text look much more balanced and readable by using columns. I'll walk you through a simple way to structure your content so it feels visually justified and easier to scan. First, open the Notion page where you want to format your text. This can be an existing page you're already working on, or you can create a brand new page from your sidebar. Once the page is open, make sure you're in edit mode by clicking anywhere in the body of the page so you can see the blinking text cursor. Now place your cursor where you want the more polished justified style layout to begin. This is usually at the top of a section or just under a heading. Start by typing a /. This is Notion's command shortcut that opens up a list of all the different blocks and layout options you can insert. After the slash, type the word column. As you type, Notion will filter the options for you. You should now see options related to columns appear in the drop-down. Look for the option that simply says columns and select it. You can do this either by clicking on it with your mouse or by using the arrow keys and pressing enter. Notion will instantly split your page into two columns at the point where your cursor was placed. At this stage, you can start moving your text into these columns, either type directly into each column or drag existing blocks of text into the left and right sides. By spreading your content across columns, you create shorter line lengths, which makes the text feel more evenly distributed and visually similar to justified text in a traditional document. If you'd like even more control, you can hover between the columns until you see the vertical drag handle appear. Click and drag to adjust the width of each column. This lets you fine-tune how the text wraps, so the edges of your paragraphs look cleaner and more consistent. You can repeat this process for different sections of your page to create a cohesive, magazine-style layout. While it's not true full justification on both sides, using columns in this way is a practical workaround that makes your Notion pages look more professional and much easier to read.